Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and my sister and I are hosting a little virtual Blythe retreat taster, full taste of what the virtual Blythe retreat is all about. And today, for the taster in February of 2025, which is the theme Mardi Gras, I'm going to be showing you how I'm making a float. Yes, we're making a doll Mardi Gras float. Various beads, and I'll probably get some more beads. I'm using a cereal box. This is one of those big cereal boxes we got at Sam's. I have a piece of cardboard here and lots of goodies inside. What was inside the box? I've got purple, gold, and green sparkly pipe cleaners. And I've got some leftover sparkly ribbon here. Some more Mardi Gras beans and some patches. Hot glue gun and construction paper in green, gold, and purple. Purple and gold, or yellow you can use, are the Mardi Gras colors. All right, now this is a work in progress. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting it together. I'm not really having a tutorial here because honestly, I don't know what I'm going to do. I kind of envision that this box is going to be laid on its side, and glue this on the back. I'm using the construction paper to cover it and maybe to do some fringe and all this stuff to decorate using a hot glue gun. Let's see how it turns out. So far, this is what I have. I did use some purple duct tape, which it doesn't really matter what color, I just happen to have purple, to close that shut. That was the opening there. And so I used purple. Looks blue on my video, but maybe to y'all it looks purple. Hopefully it does. Anyway, purple construction paper on the back and here, and of course it wasn't white enough, but we're gonna do some trimming. And I meant to put green on the side, but I kind of got sidetracked and grabbed the yellow, but that's okay. So we have green or yellow on each side, and I need to get another yellow here. And like I said, I've got to do some trimming. I used the pipe cleaners to kind of do some curly cues. So I'm trimming with Mardi Gras beads. And I got these, I forgot to put something here, but I think it'll be okay. This is gonna cover it. I'm gonna put all the different colors, the yellow, green, and gold. Putting this on, I did it backwards. I started from the top and worked down. It is better if you start from the bottom and work up. All right, I am not done with it yet. I still gotta get all the little spider web thingies from the hot glue gun off. And I wanna do something here. And I gotta get my doll on there, but I wanted to show you. So this is really bugging me, but I'm just gonna have to deal with it. It's very crooked. Part of the reason it's that way is because when I glued this fringe on, I started from the top and worked down. And the problem with that is trying to get all these fringy things up to put these underneath. If I would have started at the bottom, and okay, see right there, see how that's underneath there? I'm going to fix that. But anyway, if I started at the bottom and worked up, I would not have had that problem. So anyway, this is what I have so far. Oh, I've got trimming from broken Mardi Gras necklaces. These are from Mardi Gras necklaces. And you could use whatever trimming if you have lace or ribbon or even paper. Like you could have, what I could have done is made stripes of the colors, and that way it would have been white enough. But anyway, let me finish it and then I'll be back showing you it totally completed. Here it is, all finished. I love the sign. It helps cover up the crookedness. Might need to trim that off a little bit though. But here's this side. And then over on this side, I'm very, very pleased with it. We got a little beaded poodle up here. And the queen of the Krewe of Blythe, hydrangea, sits upon her Mardi Gras float with her pet yard dog. So now I am going to do a call out. I want y'all to make a Mardi Gras float. I want you to take a picture and I want you to send it to me because I would like to put together a little video of everybody's Mardi Gras float, and we can have our own little Mardi Gras parade. I'll leave information down in the description box below where to send your pictures. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.